Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. So last year I did and filmed a couple of repair workshops where anybody could come by and use our soldering equipment, our microscope, hot air rework station, and any of that type of stuff to try and work on some of their own devices, and also try to get some advice from us. So if you were trying to solder something, whether it's some header onto an Arduino or trying to solder a jumper, and you're just kind of confused or you're messing it up as you're doing it, what you could do is you could ask us for help. We could try to give you some pointers on what you're doing wrong, and it would also give you an opportunity to get experience with equipment that you don't have at home. So if you don't have the money for a microscope or a soldering station or a hot air station or any of that, but you want to try out ours for free, you're welcome to. So I'm linking down below to a Google Calendar that I'm going to be using to post when I schedule these, so you're welcome to check the calendar and come to the store at 141 West 27th Street in Manhattan during the times that are posted in that calendar. All you need to do is show up and not be a dick, and that's pretty much it. Those are the rules. Show up, don't be a dick, and you get access to my office to be able to mess with some of the equipment for free during those times. The amount of time each person gets who shows up is honestly going to be dependent on how many people show up. So if 3 people show up, you get a lot of time. If 21 people show up, you may have less time per person, but we'll try to make sure that everybody that comes by is able to have some of their questions answered. Again, these are going to be 100% free, and some people might say that you're getting what you pay for. But before you show up, if you're kind of curious as to how these go, you're welcome to take a look at the 2 or 3 YouTube videos that I'm going to post in the description and the pinned comment down below, so that you can see what these have been like in the past and get an idea as to how this works and whether or not this is something that would help you hone your soldering or your troubleshooting skills and help you, or just be useful to you in any way, shape, or form. Some will be done by me, some will be done by my employees, but I'm going to be trying to do these a little bit more regularly. I apologize that I stopped doing this as regularly. There's something that happened at the end of last summer that has been really eating into my time and admittedly my sanity regarding my business, but I would like to try and do these a little bit more often, because when I started doing this, I really wish there was the opportunity to just kind of ask somebody, hey, what am I doing wrong here? I would have saved myself literally years of aggravation, and also just kind of gotten a feel for the equipment and bought the right stuff the first time. So anybody who wants to come by, check out the Google Calendar down below. You're all welcome to the shop at 141 West 27th Street. Again, rules are, all you got to do is just not be a dick, and you're welcome to come by and enjoy the workshop. That's it for today, and as always, hope you learned something. Hope to see you there.